This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the BioPharm America 2011 conference, and we're in Boston, Mass. I'm here with Michael Werner of the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, and it's a non-profit organization. Michael, welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
You knew I'd eventually get to you, right?
Exactly.
Tell me what your organization does. I've got questions coming out of my head, so...
Sure. Well, the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine is an organization that was started just 2 years ago. We are a group that is comprised of biotech companies, large and small, pharmaceutical companies, and medical device companies, as well as investors, patient advocacy groups, and research organizations, all who've come together with the mission of fighting for policies, regulatory policies, reimbursement policies, and funding policies that will facilitate translational research and commercialization of regenerative medicine products for patients.
Give us an example of some regenerative products.
A good example of a regenerative medicine product that's on the market currently is a product called Dermagraft, which is made by Advanced Biohealing. And that is a product that has treated patients for foot ulcers for many, many years, particularly diabetics who suffer from foot ulcers. It's a product that is applied to your feet, and essentially you regenerate skin over the ulcers, so patients are allowed to can walk better and are much more comfortable.
So you're a very good do-good organization.
We are absolutely a do-good organization because there are literally millions of patients who suffer from conditions like diabetes and cancer and heart disease, and regenerative medicine products have the potential to treat or cure those diseases. So we think that we are going to be on the cutting edge of medical care for the next decades.
So a company comes to you. They're there to show you their product. How do you help them?
We help them by including them in our advocacy efforts with the FDA, with CMS and Medicare, with private insurers, and with the Congress, fighting for policies that will help this entire community of companies get their products to the market faster. So we have workshops with the FDA and other federal agencies. We lobby Congress for funding and for better reimbursement policies. So companies come together and we work with the federal agencies. So a company that joins the Alliance actually gets to help shape the reimbursement environment or the regulatory environment that will affect them for decades to come.
You know, this is God's work, but it's also hard work. So, I mean, you know, what do you find when you're out there working hard for these companies?
There's tremendous excitement in Washington for regenerative medicine products. People are starting to understand that these are products that will literally transform healthcare, bend the healthcare cost curve, and even create jobs. So what we're finding is there's a lot of interest at the FDA, at Medicare and Congress to work with us to help try to make things easier for those who are doing this research and developing these products.
Now, the most important question that I could possibly ask you in this interview is, what is your website?
Our website is www.alliancerm.org.
Ladies and gentlemen, please go to the website. This is a non-profit organization, the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine. This is Michael Werner. I want to thank you very much personally for coming on to SNN Live.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.